All right, here it goes. Top 5 reasons to hire a professional logo designer versus DIY tools. In the age of Canva, AI logo generators, and drag-and-drop design platforms, it's tempting to take the DIY route when creating a logo. But while these tools offer convenience, they often fall short when it comes to strategy, originality, and long-term brand impact. Here are the top 5 reasons why hiring a professional logo designer is a smarter investment for your brand. Professional logo designers think beyond aesthetics, creating logos that align with your brand's vision and market positioning. 2. Creativity and originality. They craft unique, memorable logos that set you apart from the competition. 3. Expertise and experience. Years of honing their skills mean professionals can handle complex design challenges. 4. Collaboration and customization. You'll get a tailored approach with direct input. 5. Scalability and versatility. Pros ensure your logo looks great on all mediums,